There we go. There we go. There we go, we got it started. And you can kind of hear that slow start where it's wearing out. Hello, thanks for watching the video. So we have this Camry. This is a 2002 Camry. It's the V6 3.0 liter. It's not starting. The person that drives this said that it was harder to start the last few days. And then they got it here at the home, and that was it. Won't restart. So it's been a couple of days. It's been sitting here. I want to show you what it sounds like now. Make sure, of course, you got it in park. There's that dog. What you doing, buddy? Stray dog wandering around. It's got a collar. I wonder whose it is. But anyway, so it won't start. It won't do anything. No sound at all. We have made sure that the fuel pump is buzzing, so that's okay. New battery, and generally if the battery's going bad, you'll have a light while you're still driving. That never came on, they said. So alternator is new within a year, battery within about a year. First thing, of course, to check out if you've got a no sound would be the terminals here, and I have by hand. I cannot move them. Actually, this one's kind of loose. This one was loose. Let's see what happens now. So I wasn't expecting that, so that may be the problem right there. Maybe. Nope. It could be tightened a little more, but yeah, didn't get anything. So what I want to show you is if you have a situation where you absolutely need to get it started, maybe you're kind of stranded, there is a glimmer of hope, but you're going to have something like this, holds up the hood, but you wouldn't be able to do that because you need the hood to be held up while you do this. So I have found a crowbar, and we're going to find the starter, and the starter is right underneath here. This is like an intake that comes connected right here on this cowl, goes into the breather box, where the air filter is at, and it's right under there. So it's kind of hard to see, especially with the sunlight, but it's right there's the starter down there. All right, let me point to it while I'm above. Well, we need to touch, here's the starter right here. So if you go right down there, you should be able to see it. The solenoid is right there. Let me get my hand in there. So starter is right here. Solenoid right above it, right here. We're going to get our crowbar. We're going to tap right there. Right there. The higher up, the better. I have to hit any wires. I didn't really feel like I did a whole lot there. Let's see what happens. I have to do it a couple of times. There we go. There we go. There we go. We got it started. And you can kind of hear that slow start where it's wearing out. So I'm a little surprised that that's all it took, but that may be enough to get you home. Well, if you get it started, you should be able to go as far as you want. Just don't stop, at a convenience store or something, because it's probably not going to restart. So anyway, we're waiting on a starter. That's why it's sitting here. But yeah, if you were stranded, need to go to work, Might get you there one more time, or get you home, whatever. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Have a nice day. Take care.